Superfood Evolution presents 6 Things About Nutmeg. Is it really psychoactive? Number 1. What is nutmeg? Nutmeg is the seed of a small fruit that grows on the Myristica fragrans evergreen tree species. When the fleshy, husked fruit is mature, it splits to reveal the hard brown unshelled seed kernel wrapped within an orange aril. Nutmeg is full of essential oil compounds, channels that are visible when cut in half, which give its spicy powder a very strong, perfume-like fragrance and unique, pungent, nutty sweet taste. Trees usually grow between 16 to 49 feet tall, but in prime nutmeg growing habitats can reach close to 98 feet. The most popular commercial nutmeg tree goes by 3 names: common nutmeg, fragrant nutmeg, or true nutmeg. Number 2. Nutmeg vs Mace. One of the unique features of the nutmeg tree is that it's one of the only spice varieties to give us 2 spices for the price of 1: nutmeg and mace. Mace is the lacy, protective covering surrounding the oval nutmeg shell, and is removed to produce the spice powder called mace. When the shell is cracked open, there you will find the nutmeg seed. Whole mace pieces are referred to as mace blades, which are usually an orange-red to orange-yellow color, depending on where the tree was grown. While mace does have a nutmeg-like taste, it's not as sweet and also has a sharp flavor profile resembling coriander, black pepper, and pine. The term mace has no relation to the mace used as a self-defense spray. Number 3. Where is nutmeg from and grown today? Nutmeg is indigenous to the Banda Islands, within a territory historically called the Spice Islands or Moluccas, located in eastern Indonesia. This region is also home to cloves and the clove tree species Syzygium aromaticum. Nutmeg, mace, and cloves, up until the mid-19th century, were the subject of a series of battles known as the Spice Wars. This was a time when different powerful spice merchants sought to dominate these lands and this once very profitable industry. Commercial cultivation of nutmeg and mace is generally divided into 2 categories. The major one is East Indian nutmeg, sourced from the East Indies or Indonesian Spice Island region. The second is West Indian nutmeg, sourced from Grenada or the West Indies located in the Caribbean. Nutmeg is the significant export crop of Grenada, which is confirmed by the nutmeg fruit's depiction on the island's national flag. Other minor nutmeg-producing countries include India, Sri Lanka, Papua New Guinea, the Penang Islands, as well as other parts of the Caribbean. Number 4. Psychoactive properties of nutmeg. Nutmeg is one of those spices that should be used cautiously in small amounts, not on a regular basis. This is because excessive intake of this spice is known to cause a psychoactive influence with potential side effects including dizziness, mental confusion, dry mouth, nausea, and vomiting. This is due to its very high content of the myristica compound, which is also found to a much lesser degree in other herbs and spices like dill, parsley, celery seed, anise, and black pepper. A high-quality nutmeg can average about 13% myristica of total nutmeg oil content, one of the highest of all spices. Myristica is toxic to the central nervous system and liver when abused and/or used in very high quantities. According to some science, psychoactive effects can develop after 10 grams of ground nutmeg intake. However, a minimum of 5 grams of nutmeg consumption has likewise shown to induce this response. In addition, 2 other constituents such as L-amycin and safrole may also contribute to this overall effect. Myristica is a double-edged sword. While in low doses it is considered an antioxidant and antimicrobial substance, in high amounts it is toxic. Although quantity can vary depending on individual sensitivity levels, typically it is safe to use between 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon in recipes or as a grated garnish topping when overall portion intake is relatively insignificant. Number 5. Nutmeg's healthful compounds and folk uses. Nutmeg, along with many of the aromatic spices such as cardamom, cloves, allspice, and cinnamon, is also researched to be high in volatile oils, triterpenes, and phenolic compounds. These are the constituents that can offer some health-promoting benefits, most notably for their antioxidative, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial influences. Some of these primary components in nutmeg include the mentioned myristicin, safrole, and L-amycin, but also saponine, pinene, terpineol, eugenol, and limonene, in addition to catechins and caffeic acids. Nutmeg has been widely used historically as a digestive aid and stimulant. In some folk traditions, small quantities of warming nutmeg spice added to tea, hot water, or warm milk has been used for indigestion, nausea, rheumatism, and stomach cramps. More recently, there are many claims that nutmeg may offer support for a more restful night's sleep. This is primarily due to some researched observations on mice whereby nutmeg essential oil and the myristicin 4-terpineol and safrole compounds were identified to have a sedative influence inhibiting locomotor activity. We have personally experimented with using a small dose of nutmeg powder as a bedtime tea and did notice slightly improved sleep patterns when used for a few days. However, it might be a better option to include it in a sleep formula with other sleep support tonics like ashwagandha, jujube, and reishi. Number 6. How to use nutmeg spice. Nutmeg, with its unique nutty flavor, is very popular for use in dessert recipes. It is a key ingredient in pumpkin pie spice, as well as gingerbread, apple pie, and rice pudding. It is frequently combined with other spices in curries, chai tea, mulled wine, cider, or as a topping for many festive drinks like eggnog. Because whole nutmeg loses its potency quite rapidly after it's powdered, it is often ground fresh using a nutmeg grater specifically designed for such purposes. Again, a little bit goes a long way when it comes to nutmeg's strong taste, and usually less is used compared to other incorporated seasonings. Another less popular way to use nutmeg powder is in herbal formulations as an activating carrier to encourage the uptake of other herbs used. Precautions. Nutmeg should be avoided in large amounts as it can cause unwanted side effects. Nutmeg spice powder may cause allergic reactions and/or contact dermatitis. It should not be used on a regular basis. It is generally recommended to avoid nutmeg during pregnancy or when nursing. Consult your physician before using nutmeg if you are taking medications or have a serious health condition. Thanks for watching! For more info on nutmeg, as well as top quality sources, be sure and check out the links in the description box below this video. Please support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. And be sure and check out these additional informational videos.